Welcome to the Model 4 of this Side Hustle Masterclass. If you have followed from Model 1 to this model, congratulations. If this is the first time you are coming across this masterclass, check the description below to have access to the beginning of this masterclass. Make sure to subscribe so that you don't miss our subsequent videos. The number 2 side hustle I'll talk about is for you to become a WhatsApp influencer. Who is a WhatsApp influencer? A WhatsApp influencer is a person with broad knowledge or authority on a particular niche and can influence or persuade his WhatsApp audience to take a specific action. WhatsApp influencers earn money by recommending products or services to their audience. This could be either affiliate marketing, partnership, selling personal products, and many more. If you become a WhatsApp influencer, people are going to be paying you money to post their products or services to your audience on WhatsApp. So if you ask me, I will tell you that being a WhatsApp influencer is one of the simplest ways to make money online today. I said simple, I didn't say easy, because the truth is that you are not just going to start making money as a WhatsApp influencer immediately. No, you are not going to just start making money just like that. You need to start somewhere. Yes, starting of everything is hard. This is the main reason why most people give up. So I advise you not to be like most people. You need to start somewhere. Yes, you need to give it time. And for you to start somewhere, you need to choose a niche. Not just any niche, but a specific niche. After choosing a niche, you need to start building your audience of followers. You can decide to build an audience of people who are interested in sports, or you can decide to build an audience of people who are interested in weight loss, people who are interested in business, people who are interested in making money online, or people who are interested in marketing and sales. Anything at all you can start with. The idea is that you need to focus on a specific niche so that when people want to advertise on your WhatsApp status, they should have an idea of the kind of audience that you have. So for me personally, I've been able to build an audience in the making money online niche, and this has actually helped me to post or advertise people products that are related to making money online. So you see, with that, my audience can actually view my status and then take action. Guys, if you are listening to me right now and you don't even know any side hustle you should start with, please just start building followers or audience on WhatsApp on a specific niche, and then you need to start nurturing them, because you can make a lot of money for yourself by just doing this. In 2020, before I started making money online, I discovered that a lot of business owners are looking for customers. Everywhere you turn, left, right, center, people are looking for customers. Affiliate marketers are looking for customers. Network marketers are looking for customers. Coaches are looking for customers. Course creators are looking for customers. In fact, everybody is looking for customers. So it came to my mind that why don't I focus on building these followers or audience on my WhatsApp status and charging people to advertise their products and services on my WhatsApp status. And that was how I started making money online. Yes, that was exactly how I started WhatsApp influencing. As I speak to you right now, last month alone, I made over 1,500 advertising people products and services on my WhatsApp status, my WhatsApp groups, and then my WhatsApp channel. That's like almost $140 as at recording this video. I'm not telling you that when you start, you are going to start making money just like me. No. I've told you already. Please, you need to be patient with the process. What I'm trying to make you understand is that this thing is very simple. Just build followers. All you need to do is just to build audience, and then people are going to pay you for advertisement. It's as simple as that. Now, before you start charging people to post adverts on your WhatsApp status, you need to ensure that you actually test the audience of followers you have. For a start, you can post adverts for people for free, just to ensure that the audience you have will actually convert. You need to make sure that the audience you have will bring more sales to your prospects. When you post advert for people for free, you ask them how was the conversion like, and if the response is good, then you can proceed to start charging people to run adverts on your WhatsApp status. For a start, you can charge maybe $1 or $2 depending on how many WhatsApp status views you are getting. If you are getting, let's say, from 500 to 1,000 status views, you can start charging $1 or $2 for a start. Then as you grow, you are going to keep increasing your rate, and of course you keep increasing your WhatsApp audience. So how do you get started as a WhatsApp influencer? 1, you need to define your target audience. You see, everybody cannot be your audience. My audience are people who are interested in making money online, and that is the kind of people I bring to my WhatsApp. So you need to be specific about the kind of audience you want to build. I've mentioned some of these people already. Do you want to build an audience of business owners, stay at stay-at-home moms, students, networkers, affiliate marketers. So you need to define your target audience. 2 is to define your lead generation. When we talk of leads, we mean customers. How do you bring leads or customers to your WhatsApp? You can create an ebook. You can use ChatGPT to write the ebook for free, package it together, go to Canva and create an ebook cover. Then you convert your ebook into PDF, and then you can go ahead to promote it using different marketing strategies. You can also pay other influencers to promote it for you. You can pay WhatsApp TVs to promote it for you. You can run Facebook ads, Google ads, Instagram ads. There are a lot of marketing strategies you can use to bring people to your WhatsApp. If you want to learn how to use ChatGPT to write an ebook, check in the description below. I've done a video already, so I'll be dropping a link so that you can click on the link to see how to use ChatGPT to create an ebook. Number 3, you need to know the type of content you'll be posting on your status. Don't just wake up and post anything on your status. For me personally, I post about personal development. I post about business. I post about spirituality. I post motivation. I talk about money because my audience are people who are interested in all of this I've mentioned. Number 4, define the kind of brands you want to advertise for. You can't be advertising for everybody. For me, I don't advertise for physical products. I only promote digital products. People who wants to sell their ebooks and other stuff. 5, create your ad package. You need not to have a flat rate for your ads. One day you can charge, let's say $3. 2 days you can charge $5, 3 days you can charge, let's say $6, and so on and so on. This is just an example I'm giving you. 6, create your terms and conditions. I always create my terms and conditions and I show it to people. So you have to read my terms and conditions before you agree to run ads on my status, because my job is to show your ads to my audience. I don't control my audience decision. My audience decide on what they want to buy. So make sure you have terms and conditions so that you can send to people who want to advertise on your status. If you want to go deeper in all what I said, contact the numbers on the screen to join our masterclass on WhatsApp monetization. Don't forget to subscribe and then like this video if you are feeling it. Designing certificates for course creators is the number 3 side hustle I'll talk about. One thing I know about people is that we love certificates at the end of every training. Most Africans are even willing to pay more for a training that comes with a certificate. And there are course creators and trainers who even charge separately for certificates after their online trainings and then classes. They can charge you $50 for their training and then $5 for certificates. So if you pay for the training and then you want to get the certificate after the training, you will have to pay extra $5. And guess what? People pay extra just to get the certificate. For you to make money, you can help course creators make more money just by designing certificate for their students. You can easily design this certificate in less than 20 minutes using Canva templates. These are the steps you need to follow. 1. Go to Canva and learn how to design certificates using free templates. 2. Make some samples. 3. Reach out to course creators and then pitch them your services, then show your samples. 4. Agree on a mode of payment. You can get paid per student or monthly. 5. When they host a course, design the certificate and send to their students via email or WhatsApp. Now let me take you through how to design certificates for course creators. So first of all, you are going to locate your Canva. If you don't have Canva, quickly go to Play Store or App Store and then you download. So after you download, just open it. So when you open it, this is the interface of Canva. So first thing you need to do is to go to the search bar, click on it, search for certificates. So when it loads, you are going to see so many templates. So all these are templates. So if you want, you can click on create new to start from scratch. But if you also don't want to waste so much time on designing your certificate, just choose any of these templates. And if you see this pro, it means you need to buy or you need to pay to have access to it. But if you don't see the paid or pro on any of the certificates, you can edit it for free. So I'm going to choose the certificate I'm going to work on. Just look through and then choose the certificate that suits you, or choose the certificate you like. Just click on it. So this is the certificate we are going to edit. All you need to do is to edit this place. On top, you see the template logo. So all you need to do is to click on the logo. So we have the delete button here. So just delete it. If you have a logo, import your logo onto the certificate. So the plus button here, click on it. We are going to import our own logo. So you go to gallery. We have gallery here. You click on the gallery, go to images to locate your logo. So I have my logo right here. I'll click on it, then I click on add to page. Add to page. So here I'm just going to make it very small. Select and hold it, make it very small, and then you place it where the logo is supposed to be placed. So you make it very small. Make it very small. Then you place it very well on top. Then the name of the logo, to click on it and then you delete it. You go to the plus button again. You select on text. I'm going to use this for my text. Then I'll write Money Literate Academy. So when I finish, I'll now place it under the logo. So I place it this way. You can make it very small to make it attractive. So we are here. Certificate of excellence. You can make it certificate of participation. When you select the of excellence, you can edit. You can edit it. So you change it to certificate of participation. Certificate of participation. So we have this certificate is proudly awarded to. You can change the name. So I'm going to change it to Teacher Onga. This certificate is proudly awarded to Teacher Onga. If you like, you can also edit presented to. Yeah. Then down here we have, you can edit that place too, for participating in the digital marketing workshop held by Money Literate Academy. Then this place, you can delete this if you like. You can delete, just click on it and delete it. Then you see the badge here. We can reposition it. If you want, you can reposition it to anywhere you want to. So we have it here. Then here, you can change the name of the course creator. So we are going to change the name of the course creator. We are changing the name of the course creator. Baba Alasan is the course creator. So after writing, then you position it very well. That's the course creator, the name of the course creator. So the manager to the manager down, you can change it to, maybe you write course creator. Then the signature, you can add a signature to the course creator. You can add a signature. So all you need to do here, if you want to add a signature, all you need to do is to sign on a paper, snap it. After snapping it, then you will need to remove the background of the signature. I have a video on my YouTube channel. I'll drop the link on how to remove a background of your image. I'll drop the link in the description below. So all you need to do is to go to the description below. So I've already removed the background. So I'll just go to my plus button. Then I'll go to gallery. Then I search for my signature. So I have my signature here. Add to page. So I'll position the signature on top of the line. So you see how it is done. After you are done, the badge, if you don't like the badge, you can equally change the badge. All you need to do is to click on the plus button. So they've already suggested some badges for us. So if you don't want that,
you can just search for badge. When you search for badge, you see different badges. So you choose the badge you want to use, but for me, I'm not going to change. I'm just going to use the one they give me. So all these, you can do editing on it. All you need to do is to click on it. Maybe you want to change the color. So when you click on it, you see the color. You can change the color. So you can edit if you want. If you don't also want it that way, you can leave it this way. And then all I need to do is to save it. So we have the save button here. So you click to save, or you download. So when you click on it, you see download. So you click to download. So after downloading, it will be saved in your gallery. So it's preparing to download.
The number 4 side hustle I'll talk about is affiliate marketing. But I must be honest with you, this business is not for the lazy people. If you are lazy, you cannot do this business model. This requires zero investment. This one is perfect if you don't have your own products to sell and make money. Affiliate marketing is simple, promoting other people's products and services, and then you earn commission for each sale you make. No stress. You see, I personally started doing affiliate marketing when I didn't have any product of my own to make money from. One thing I like about affiliate marketing is that you can start even if you don't have any capital to start. Here's what you are supposed to do. Join affiliate sites like Digistem, Impact, Seller.co, Jumia, or Konga affiliate marketing. Then you copy your affiliate link, share it on your WhatsApp status, WhatsApp groups, and broadcast lists with short curiosity-driven messages. So you can write a copy like, for example, this simple app pays me $20 daily. I just tested it. DM me if you want the link. Now let's look at how to get started as an affiliate marketer. 1. Identify a problem. 2. Look for an affiliate marketing platform and sign up. 3. Pick a product that solves that problem and promote it to the people who need it. 4. Make sales and get paid your commission. In the next video, I'll show you the other side hustle ideas that you can start today and make more money. Click the link below or check the playlist to watch that video now.